Hey pet lovers, thinking about adopting a dog and wondering if you should choose a male or female? While each dog is unique, male dogs are often seen as more playful and affectionate. Females can be a bit more independent but are equally loving. Remember, individual personality matters more than gender. In general, male dogs tend to be larger and more muscular than females. If size is a consideration for your home or lifestyle, this is something to keep in mind. Some believe that females might be easier to train due to being less distracted during sessions. However, males can be just as trainable with consistency and patience. Spaying for females and neutering for males not only help control the pet population, but also reduce the risk of certain health problems. These procedures can also influence behavior, often making dogs calmer and less territorial. If you already have pets, consider the existing dynamic. Some dogs might get along better with the opposite gender, but this varies with each individual.